Guys, you won't believe how much money I was burning. Every time I transferred USDT on the TRON network, I thought, well, it's just a fee, $9, no big deal. But then I did the math. In a single month, I burned over $200 on fees. And you know what? I found a solution that saves me up to 78% on every single transfer. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works right here on the TRXify website. Let's go. Check out this calculator. I'm planning to make 50 USDT transfers. If I burn TRX, I'd need 242 TRX. That's about $100. But if I rent energy through TRXify, I only need 69 TRX. That's a 71% saving. And this isn't just talk. Let me show you right now how it actually works. In literally a minute, you'll get it yourself. All right, let's head over to TRXify. See the calculator? Let's set everything up. See, I've already got USDT transfer selected. That's exactly what we need. The most important part is the parameters. There's an option. Does the recipient have USDT on their balance? I'm choosing yes because I already have USDT. Next, the time window. I'm picking 1 day. That's more than enough for all my transfers. Look, I need 3,250,000 energy for 50 transfers. The cost is just 69 TRX. That's $20. If I burn TRX, I'd pay over $200. The difference is massive. Awesome, everything is set. Now we hit Get Energy for Transfers. Connect the wallet. I'm choosing Trust Wallet. The wallet window pops up. I confirm the transaction. I'm sending the TRX to the smart contract. Done. And now for the magic. Let's wait. 1, 2, 3. Boom. The energy is already in my wallet. It took 12 seconds. They really do deliver in 12 seconds. Now I make the USDT transfer. The fee is practically zero. The energy covered the transaction. No TRX were burned. The savings are right there. Why TRXify? Number 1, price is below market. Number 2, delivery in 12 seconds. Number 3, it's safe, non-custodial, you keep your keys. Number 4, no KYC, total anonymity. Number 5, auto refund if anything goes wrong. Plus, your first order up to 5 TRX is completely fee-free. Guys, if you're transferring USDT even just once a week, you're losing money without TRXify. The link to the site is in the description. Go check it out, calculate your savings, and place your first order, especially since the first order is commission-free. Drop a comment below and tell me how much you're spending on fees. Let's figure out how much you could save.